money. So this morning I went down to Reese, picked up a couple of meters of copper, and then ran down to my local trade tools at Labrador to try out their 3/4 benders. Currently on sale for $40, so pretty stupid not to head down there. But even with every dollar, I like to go down there and just test them out before I walk out with the tool. Gave it a couple of bends, as you'll see by the videos. Got a couple of the boys involved, which is nice, but for $40 you cannot be disappointed with that bend. Not a ripple in it, nice and smooth. It's nice and hefty. I know it's not going to get bashed about in the work truck. All the indicators are really nice, everything actually lines up perfectly. I'll probably engrave my own little mark in there just to make it a little bit clearer. But I'm really happy with it, really chuffed with it. Everything's smooth. These are Renegade